Here we go again.
Yes, sir. Limitless Tire in the building.
That's right. That's right.
Yes, yes. How you doing, sir?
I am doing really well, better than I was yesterday.
Awesome, awesome. So let's start it the right way. Shout out to the Limitless Tire Nation. Shout out to the future members of the Limitless Tire Nation. If you ain't a part of the nation, then you lacking with a
That's
culture.
right.
So, big question. Should have asked you this weeks ago before the end of the month. So, but big question, nevertheless, it's 2024, and everybody wants to know what's new and exciting for Limitless Tire for 2024.
This is going to be the most exciting year in the company's history, guaranteed. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be fun for us. It's going to be fun for the customers. It's going to be a lot of cool and different ways of doing things. So to start it off, the first thing that we have is something called road hazard warranty. So what this means is when you come in and you purchase this warranty from Limitless Tire and you're driving and you scratch a rim, you break a rim, whatever the case is, you're covered. We
Hold
don't
on, hold
make
on, hold on.
excuses.
Oh, slow down,
Yeah.
slow down. What do you mean if I'm driving and I scratch or break my rim, I'm covered? Covered for what?
So what we've had a lot of problems with over the past 14 years and over 25,000 packages. It's a horrible feeling for us and probably worse for the customer, but we hate it a lot because they just started driving with custom rims and how the rubber is a lot less than the regular tire rubber. When they go over a pothole, right, they don't realize the damage that is caused to their rim because there's not that much give now.
Mm.
Because the bigger tire can actually go in a pothole and come back out without any serious damage. But with new rims, with low profile tires, it'll actually cause a problem. It
Mm-hmm.
will bend the rim, it'll probably pop the tire, and the customer is got a serious problem. And the only thing we could tell the customer is like, we're sorry. It doesn't happen all the time. It's like one every 50 packages, or I would even say 60 or 70 packages.
But
And
you,
not every package is like non-repairable, right? There are some tires that we offer warranties that cover tires. So the rim might be okay, but then only the tire is damaged, and that warranty would cover the tire. But
maybe sometimes both of them get damaged depending
that's
on
right.
what you hit or
So
what.
if the pothole was on the right side, you end up damaging the front and the rear. But now what you get with us, the option to add it on, obviously, I think a 1 year coverage, because that's usually more than enough time to learn how to drive with rims and tires, with low profile tires.
Hmm.
More than enough time to learn that. If you want that coverage, and I think for 17-inch, I think it's like $150. Don't quote me on it. It's a
Okay.
rough idea. I don't work at the front desk. I'm not that good at this, but it's around $150. So if you're spending, $2,000, $2,200 on a package, just add it on, and you're good. You're covered.
So
So
what's the catch?
there is no catch.
What do you
It's
mean there's no catch?
there's no deductibles.
What?
No, there isn't. There's no
Bro,
deductible, bro. If we keep preaching the fact that we put the customer first and the customer is everything, you can't have these gimmicks. You can't be playing games with them. They have enough going on in their lives. Their life is not easy in Toronto, right? In fact, anywhere in the world, life isn't easy. Don't play
fair
games.
game.
Don't mess around. Don't fool around. Be straight up. If you can't do it, then don't do it. They get a contract. They're covered. And who pays for the tire and the rim or whatever's damaged is the warranty company. All the warranty company wants is transparency on their end. What that means is they want pictures of what we sell right away before the customer takes off with it, so we can show them that it was brand new. It's going to add on a couple of more minutes to the work, to the process, everything. But again, go through that process and save yourself the headache later on. So you're covered. there's no limits on how many. There's a limit on the amount. They can go up to $7,500, so they can come back like whatever number of times up to $7,500. But that doesn't mean that they can keep coming back every week, right? Yes, go on. Yes, that's of other stuff as well. We'll eventually get to it. We'll see what's happening.